Many people type the same data again and again in Excel. In the next few minutes, I will show you how to stop doing that permanently. Most of us use Excel to enter data again and again in different sheets. But Excel can do much more than that. Today, you learn how to take information from one sheet and automatically display it in another sheet in a clean and professional format. Once, once this setup is done, you only change the data, Excel handles the rest. If you want to see the complete step by step process of designing a professional letter in Excel, I have covered it in my previous video. You can watch it using the link in the description. Now let's go to the subject. So year and date, we already entered the date. We put the formula here today. Open bracket, close bracket. The present date will be displayed here. Next, the employee name, employee ID, designations. So this is the common for any letters. Only the actual data will be changed. So this is the employee attendance sheet. Here also we are entering the name of the employee. Again, when you are coming to letter, here also we are changing the name. We are also updating the name. Instead of updating the name in every sheets, directly we can take the data from the per sheet. Just enter equal in the cell where you want the employee name and go to the attendance sheet. Click on the employee name. It is in a B2 cell. Just enter. The what name is entered there, it will come here. If you change here, it's John C. The name also will come here automatically. What we are entering in the B2 cells in the attendance sheet, the same will reflect in where until you update the formula, the particular cells. For example, I want in C also, in C4 also, the same employee name. Just go on top. The same name will come here also. If you enter the name here in one shell, you can enter Mr. Vinay. Everywhere, where and all you update the formula, all the respective cells, the name will be appeared here also. So I need only in B4. So next employee ID as usual in B5, just apply equal symbol. Just apply equal. Go to employee attendance sheet or where you want, which sheet you want the data. Select the sheet. Select the cell and it's entering. The same it will be appear also. And department, just you can see here quality assurance is that. Just apply equal symbol. Go to department in the B4. Yes sir, I'm just selecting and entering. But here it shows 0. Why it shows 0 means here is empty. There is no data is available here. So only here also shows the 0. So I'm updating quality assurance. Here also will come as same. In designation, just selecting equal, going to designations. Here also is not coming. So when the data you're changing in the main, this is your master sheet now for the data. So in this sheet, if you enter that data, just if you enter the data here, it will be the same. The same will be appear where and all you update the formula. Just here I'm updating. Is it? Right. Now the letter is marked to the particular employee, but again the name we have to type here. So instead of typing the name by the formula only, the name also should appear here. How to do means here I'm just cut the name from the letter dear. So only dear is available. Now in the alignment tool, I'm selecting right. Just I'm selecting right. Here I'm just clicking the equal symbol. I'm going to the name in the B2. So now the name also is visible here, the same name. If the deer is in middle, what will happen? It looks like that there is a gap between the words deer and the name. So only you should use the right click, and for the name you should use the left alignment. Instead of use the, if you use center or right means the letters will go away from the deer word. So use the left alignment, so the both the word will be close to each other. The next, where we can pull the data. So here we can pull the data in April to there is some year. Okay, so this data we can be pull. So other informations are common. This is how we can do means. So this text line, in this text line, the April opening month and year, closing month and year, the details are available. For the data update, for the data automations, this we have to modify slightly. I'm just inserting a row below the text line. I'm copying the month and year, pasting in the below row. The text I'm just modifying. I'm just altering the text for the period. For the period mentioned below. Now here below you can only change the month and year. So the first cell I'm leaving for the month. This cell leaving for first month. Another cell opening year. Another shell I'm leaving it for the text 2. The another cell I'm leaving it for March, the closing month. Next shell for the closing year. Small altering, right alignment, and leave here to March. The opening year I'm aligning to left, the text 2 for as usual left side, and reducing the width. Closing month alignment selecting right, the closing year alignment I'm selecting left. So the text 2 I'm aligning to L. So now this width I'm reducing, the column width I'm reducing. Row width reducing. This is one time activity. Once you're done means whenever you do changes in per sheet, it will be automatically changes in the respective sheets. Now I have to align this, which is disturbed due to the whole alignment. What I'm doing, just cut the table C columns, the table, just I paste in the D column, just I paste in the column D. This number of days present, just I'm doing merge. The D column D and E just I merged. Similarly I'm doing merging for column D and E, each row for the all data. The month I'm merging the column B and C for the data visibility. For the month and number of days present are merged. And again I'm doing the borders. For this letter, the month you don't need to change, only the year we have to change. Clicking the equal. I'm going to the attendance sheet, selecting the column C1, the year 2026. So the same year comes here, the same year visible here. Closing year, I don't need to go to the per sheet. The same sheet itself I can apply the formula. How can do this? Just click the equal in the cell, select the year 2026 and plus 1. So next in the table, number of days present. This data we have to take from the employee attendance sheet. So how we can do? Just clicking the equal symbol for the April month. I'm going and selecting the D7 sheet. So again I'm selecting for May month, selecting equal, going to employee attendance sheet, selecting 14, the same will appear here. One by one also we can do. So otherwise, once you're done means just copy the May month data, the letter sheet, and select the remaining months and Control V for paste. That's it. So now you can see in June month 23, here also 23 will come. So March 14, so here also and March 14. If March here I'm updating 15, here also it will change the 15. So the remains are common. So there is no changes required in the text. So everything is done now. So now just will go to the preview. Now the result automation is done with respect to the employee attendance sheet. What are the changes if you do in employee attendance? The same will reflect in the data at the respective cells. You can change, you can do some validations. You just verify the department is supporting marketing manager, the destination, just you can the destination. Let's see the changes happening. The letter, yes, these are happening here. Yes, you can see here the deer also. The same name is appearing here. Here, changing 2027, 28. Here you can see 2027 and 28. The year also changing, and let's see the year. Let's see the changes in the month. Just entering 1, 2, 3. Just for verifications. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The same appearing here also. So now the letter is ready. This time showing I'm giving the previous data only. So now the letter is ready with the Excel automation. Just we can see in the print preview also. Print preview. Everything is good. So if you do changes in the employee attendance, the same will reflect in the letter sheet. Today you learned how to connect Excel sheets and create documents that update automatically. These techniques is useful of any Excel user, students, office staffs, business owners, analysts, and professionals. When data is connected properly, Excel becomes faster, smarter, and more reliable. If this video helped you work better in Excel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep learning. Excel is not just about typing data. It is about working smart. Thank you for watching.